In this reading, we will learn the vocabulary words listed here.
Staying healthy as you age.
As we get older, taking care of our health becomes even more important. With the right habits, we can stay active, sharp, and healthy well into our later years. Physical activity is one of the best things we can do for our health as we age. Regular exercise keeps our muscles strong, our hearts healthy, and our bones dense. It also helps prevent many diseases. Even simple activities like walking or gardening make a difference. What we eat also matters. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein gives our bodies what they need. As we age, we may need fewer calories but more of certain nutrients. Staying hydrated is important too. Mental activity keeps our brains sharp. Learning new things, reading, doing puzzles, and having interesting conversations all help. Just as our muscles need exercise, so do our minds. The brain can continue to grow and change at any age. Social connections are vital for healthy aging. Staying connected with friends and family gives us purpose and support. Loneliness can be harmful to our health, so it is important to maintain relationships and make new ones. Getting enough sleep is also crucial. Sleep helps our bodies repair, and our minds process information. Many older adults have trouble sleeping, but good sleep habits can help. Regular checkups with doctors can catch problems early when they are easier to treat. We should not ignore symptoms or put off medical care. Taking medications as prescribed and following doctors' advice is important. Finally, having a positive attitude about aging helps. Society often sees aging negatively, but getting older can be a time of growth, wisdom, and fulfillment. When we embrace this stage of life, we can make the most of it. Aging is a natural part of life. By taking care of ourselves, we can enjoy good health and quality of life at any age.